Just once again. Yes. ಪಂದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಭಾ to Kita. Good delivery and he starts with a single. Kita running fast for the first one, very hard. So young friends Sujare open the record with one. Good starts. Now Harish, yesterday he played brilliant cricket in his ground. Icon player Harish. So this time in this crucial moment, it is a do or die situation. His role is very important for young friends Ujare. Very good one. Beautiful stroke into the covers, into the long on 4 runs. What a start by Harish. Excellent shot. He starts with the boundary. He is inaugurated with the boundary of his account.
ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಿದ್ದಿಕ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾನೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಬಿಪಿಎಲ್ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ 10ರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಹಿಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಚಕ್ರ ವಾಹನ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತೆರವುಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈದಾನಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. K21B5993
Prabha to Harish. Good delivery. It's a bouncing mid of the pitch. The ball is in the hands of wicketkeeper. Excellent piece of bowling by Prabha. The score is 5. Red backs from the Kaptana. ತಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಹರೀಶ್ ಬೇಗ.
ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್.
Okay. Prabha. Oh, good delivery. Excellent piece of bowling by Prabha. It's a very good bowling. 38 runs required, 39 runs required by 24 balls. So they need bigger start in the first power play. Harish looking for big shots. He's in good form. Yesterday he played a brilliant knocks in his ground. Prabha. Good, oh, clear ball. What a celebration. Excellent wicket for Prabha. Very good bowling. Harish clean bowled. What a bowling performer. He's a performer of the team. Firstly in by bat, now with the ball. He's a good all-rounder. Now Harish back to pavilion end. He's very disappointed. Now new man joined, Tamim. He's also main player now in this crucial time. He needs to show.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಂತ ಆಟಗಾರರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತೆರವುಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಆಗಮಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವೇ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಹರೀಶ್ ಪೂಂಜಾ ಇವರು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟಗಾರರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Prabha to Tamim. He got a big success. He got a big success. Prabha. He took a wicket. Prabha to
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
Tamim.
ಬೇಸರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Very good bowling. It's a very good over.
ಸಭೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಿದೆ.
An excellent over comes in, and the score is just 5 runs for 1 wicket loss of Harish. Now Kita and Tamim has to build the innings. Kita is a very dangerous batsman. He can hit everywhere of the ground, every nook and corner of this ground, because this is Kita.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದಗೋಕುಲ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ತಮಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ನಿಗದಿತ ಸಮಯದ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
The ball change the bowling side. Bowler name. Bowler name. Yogesh. Okay, Yogesh is the bowler. From Kita. Kita is on side. Kita. Whoa, good shot into the stands. Yes, it is. That is Kita for you. What a strike by Kita. Kita is in form, terrific form. Hamza is the captain. Hamza having a lot of hope, with a big hope with the Kita. The score was up to 11:39 required to win the match. Again, Yogesh to Kita. Krish, yani Kita. Outshading, good bowling, excellent bowling. This leaves the ball to wicket keeper, and Mr. Vinod is the wicket keeper doing a perfect job his team. This is a very important match for both teams. Do or die situation. If they win, they will qualify to the semi-final against Jeevan Patrame. Full toss, beautifully driven into long on. Long off area, one completed, lost possibility for second. Score moves up to 12. We are in over number 2. Excellent piece of cricket is going on here in Kakini School Ground. Cricket Hangama, Cricket Jatre. The number of cricket fans are increasing with the time by time, because this is a very crucial moment. This is knockout stages are there. Yogesh to Tamim. Good shot, good shot. Oh, good catch taken in the deep. So the big wicket departs. Tamim is out without any score. He's a key batsman in this time. His wicket, his presence was very important for especially young friends Ujire, but he departs and walking back the pavilion without any score. It's disappointed for batsman. The new batsman, Adesh Bekali. New batsman, Abuchi Riaz. Super Begava Gilbert Abuchi Riaz. Abuchi joined with the Kita. Kita Iruvarige Bayavilla. Young friends Tandake. Yogesh to Kita. Kita is on strike. What a shot that is by Kita! Master blaster stroke into the stands. What a second sixer, and look at the umpire style. What a shot by Kita. Boom boom Kita. He's in terrific form. He's now dangerous customer. Score was up to last ball. Score was up to 18. 18. ಎರಡನೇ ಓವರ್ ಚಾಲ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ again Kita. Yogesh is in again bowling mark. Last ball to go. 18. 18 runs. Our score is perfect, Mr. Aziz MP.
ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನಂದಗೋಕುಲ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ತಂಡದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರರಕ್ಷಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
Yogesh to Kita. This time ball in the air. Kita Ibari Kaikotta. Kita is gone. It's a big man. Kita is very disappointed, but he's having a lot of fans in Kakinji. But he hit a two beautiful sixers. Finally, he dismissal. He's walking back to the pavilion with a wonderful innings by Kita. What a player, Kita. Now other batsmen has to continue the performance like Kita. Mr. Khalid joined with the Abuchi Riaz. Brilliant talk, Kita. Now joined now Khalid and Abu Chiriaz. ಹನ್ನೆರಡು ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 21 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. 12 ball remaining, 21 to get. 12 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 21 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಪಂದ್ಯ ರೋಚಕ, ರೋಮಾಂಚಕಾರಿ, ಕುತೂಹಲಕಾರಿ ಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂದ್ಯ. ಮಧುವನ್, ಬೌಲರ್ ಮಧುವನ್, ಸಾರಿ Meghraj to Khalid. Khalid is in strike now. He need to show his performance in this crucial time. It's a do or die time for both teams, especially young friends who are in pressure situation. 11 ball, 21 to get. Good shot in the point area. One completed. Looking for second. No possibility for second. Good piece of fielding in the deep by Balu. Only one. Score moves up to 19. 20 runs required by 10 deliveries. Every balls, they used to get 2 runs per ball. Meghraj to Abu Chiriaz. Good piece of bowling, outside of some misses completely, gained dotted delivery. Good piece of bowling by Meghraj. Meghraj to Abu Chiriaz. This time, so wide ball, wide signal by the umpire. So one extra added to the score. Score moves up to 20. So still 19 runs to get to win this match and to be qualified to the semi-final against Jeevan Patrame. Meghraj to Abu Chiriaz. Trying to do a sweep. Again, misses the delivery. Excellent piece of bowling, slower one. Swings and in swinger, out swinger.
4 ಗಂಟೆ 58 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ನಂದಗೋಕುಲ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 4 ಗಂಟೆ 56 ಕ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ನಂದಗೋಕುಲ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ತಂಡ.
Oh, good shot! We'll see, it is a catch. So Balu taking the comfortable catch in and so Abu Chiriaz gone. So the captain Hamza is a new batsman.
ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಯಿಸಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮೈದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು. ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಯಾವಕಾಶ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನಿಸಿ, 3 ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳು ನಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ಹೊರತು. 2 ಉಪಾಂತ್ಯ ಪಂದ್ಯಗಳು, 1 ಫೈನಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯ. ಈ ಪಂದ್ಯದ ವಿಜೇತ ತಂಡ ಫೈನಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಪಂದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ್ ಪಟ್ರಮೆ ತಂಡವನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
Meghraj to Khalid. Meghraj to Khalid. Good shot into the point area. Would one taken by the batsman. Score most of 21. Still 18 runs needed. 6 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 18 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. 6 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 18 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಸರ್ಗಳ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. ಖಾಲಿದ್ ಸಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿದ್ ದಾಂಡು ಘೋಷಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 6 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 18 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಉಪಾಂತ್ಯ ಪಂದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ದಕ್ಕಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಯಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊನೆ ಓವರಿಗಾಗಿ ಬೌಲರ್ ನೇಮ್ ರಾಘವ್. 6 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 18 ರನ್ಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ರಾಘವ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಂಡು, ಖಾಲಿದ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಂಡು. Raghav to good delivery, excellent piece of bowling. Very important role of the bowler. 5 balls, 80 to get. Oh, what a shot that is! What a wonderful shot! It's a shot like say tracer bullet into the stands. 6 runs got it by the Khalid. He's shown his master blaster performance in this important time. Now 4 balls, 12 needed, just 2 sixes. Will happen in any time. It was a full toss delivery. 4 balls, 12 runs. Anything can happen. Khalid he's come to his form in this time. Oh, dotted delivery. Miss, swing and miss. Slower one. 3 balls. Still have a chance. Three balls, 12 runs needed. Oh, this time Khalid gone. 2 balls, 2 sixes needed. 2 balls, 2 6. Hamza is still there. He can hit the ball in everywhere of the ground. Pavitra is the new batsman. Adarsh Begobeko Pavitra. 2 balls, 2 sixes required. 2 young friends Ujiri. Raghav. Oh, shorted delivery. 1 ball remaining.
ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಂಡದ ಆಟಗಾರರು ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಾವು ಮೈದಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Last ball, 12 needed. So finally Nanda Gokula Dharmasala won the match and they qualified to second semi-final of the tournament. Congrats to you. And also thanks to the participant, Young Friends Ujira. Young Friends Ujira, you have shown absolute fantastic cricket so far from since yesterday. Thanks for the captain and also thanks to the team players as well as their
ಆರಂಭಿಕ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಕುಲ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ತಂಡ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್